Hello makeup lovers, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a detailed makeup tutorial that will transform your look from everyday to glam. So yes, we go ahead with a face wipe to clean the face. I'm using tretinoid because I am currently treating acne. So tretinoid is good for acne scar, brighten your skin, treat acne, reduce fine lines, diminishes pore size, reduce stretch mark, reduce dark under eye circle, accelerate skin turnover, smooth wrinkle, treat age spot, unclog pores, minimize crowd feed, and also exfoliate dead skin. And here I'm using the Cos RX essence, which is also good to feed dark spots and improve skin texture, intense hydration, and also it's an anti-aging because tretinoid is so drying. So I'm using my wax to set the brows, and I'm going ahead with my setting powder to set it. So that's to mattify it so that I can draw the brow or trace the brows very well. So here this look is an everyday look, but we are just going to be elevating it because I want these brows to pop. So I'm using a dark brow pencil to line the brow, but I'm going to be filling the brow with a brown pencil. So if you're preparing for a special occasion and you want to enhance your look, this video is a detailed step-by-step tutorial that will help you to get the result you want. And in this video I also review the products I use, and the video is so self-explanatory, so I just want you to keep watching. And if there is need for me to come in and explain, of course I'm going to do that. And if you are not yet subscribed to this channel and you like what I'm doing here, please just go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a video you'll be instantly notified. Thank you for joining the crew. We are making the world a better place in our own little way. So here I am just adding the black pencil to that part of the brow to make it pop. I already said from the beginning I want this brow to pop. So this is a brown pencil. I'm just creating these strokes with a very free or light hand, just imitating or going towards the direction of my natural hair, feeling it like this. That looks good already. We go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So at this point, the next thing I supposed to do is my brow. But this Rimmel primer, I like it when it sets into my skin very well, so I always give it that time. Reason why, I am going ahead to apply the primer now, and while it sets into my skin, I'll be doing my brows. So this is the primer, and now I'm just allowing it to set into my skin while I go ahead and do my brow. This eyeshadow palette is from Adventure. It has 54 beautiful colors. You see the technique I'm using with the eyeshadow. I touch it and I dust it off, because we don't want to go in with excess from like just starting. It's better to go in many times with the eyeshadow until it peaks, rather than going it at once with so much, because this eyeshadow is so pigmented. So I'm just tapping. I always said this video is self-explanatory. Just watching, you will get everything. So it's just basically the same step. I'm using that darker shade as a transition shade, and here's my concealer that I'm using just to bring out that brighter part of it. So after applying the concealer, I go ahead and blend. The secret for a beautiful makeup is blending. So I'm using this foundation from Cikel, and it's a full coverage foundation. So I always apply my foundation behind my hand or on a plate, and I go ahead and put it in my on my face in portions before going in with my damn beauty blender to blend, because this foundation is full coverage. This is the beauty blender, it should be damp. This other one is not damp. This is why you see this one fluffy. So I'm just going to blend, and when I discover anywhere that it's not enough, I keep blending. And mind you, I don't put foundation on my nose. I just blend all over my skin, and the excess on the beauty blender, I go and walk around my nose, and that is how I get the foundation on my nose. And I also avoid foundation under my eyes. This concealer is from Bechamp, so I'm using this darker shade for contouring. I'm just going to contour my cheek and around my forehead, that's my hairline, and I'm using this cream blush. I'm going in with the orange color and a little bit of red. My beauty blender, I'm using this side of it to blend. So the secret of makeup is blending. So I'll just keep blending till everything is well blended into my skin. This concealer is still from the Bechamp palette, so I just go ahead and blend my concealer. You see, the concealer has covered the blush, so I go in with the side that I used to blend the blush, and I blend it again back there, and it's going to bring back the blush to life. So I just went ahead to set with my translucent powder from Benign, and here I'm using a clean brush to blend the powder into my skin. I'm not dusting it off, I'm blending it into my skin. So here I'm doing the reverse contour, so I'm using my darker shade of my powder to bring back the cream contour on my nose. back to life. You can see after doing this, the contour on my nose is going to come back popping. I'm using my shade of powder from my powder palette to blend my face. Like, I just want to blend everything so that we have that smooth and seamless finish. So that is what we are doing here, blending till everything is well blended. So I go ahead and use my blush from CPD. This blush is everything to bring back my cream blush to life. See how popping that is. So I'm mixing the orange, that's the clear and dark orange, and this is what we have. We go right to the lips. I'm using my brown pencil that I use for my brow to line my lips. And finally, we are putting on the full seal or the lashes, which is the final stage of the makeup look. And if you want me to do a video showing you how to easily apply or wear lashes, let me know in the comment section. What do you think about this look, guys? Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.